QTS Data Centers is Quality Technology Services. We are a data center provider. We have about now 26 data centers around the world, and we serve everybody from literally the mom and pop shops to mid-size enterprises to our hyperscalers that we work with. The way that QTS integrates with hyperscalers, a couple different ways. One, hyperscalers will use QTS as a data center provider, and we work closely with them to provide space and power for their needs. We also have direct connectivity to this hyperscalers, especially the cloud hyperscalers that you think about. The AWSs, obviously the Googles, the Oracles, that we have direct connectivity to those providers within our data centers. We've developed a product around Cohesity for our managed backup solution. So for our hosted clients that are hosted on our private cloud environment, we allow them to have a managed backup powered by Cohesity. Cohesity fit very well, again, because it is hyperconverged, and the initial platform that we support with our managed backup solution is a hyperconverged platform. So it fits very well in that model. Cohesity also has a very strong belief in customer service, which QTS does also. So that fit very well within our model. And again, it wasn't just a traditional backup solution, but it allows us to grow our data protection platform over time. The value prop for us is that we can get a customer up and running and backed up within a matter of hours. So when we set up their environment, we can pretty much immediately make sure that data is being backed up to where they want that data backed up. There is no lag of time in between. We do that very quickly, so there's no chance of losing any data while we're getting that set up. If you're looking for more information, you can go to qtsdatacenters.com, and all the information that we just talked about is there.